Hi children, welcome back to my channel again. So my name is favourtheteacher and you're welcome to this channel. Please, if you're new in this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. If you haven't clicked on the subscription button before, please do so right now, okay? Alright, and also remember to like this video and share it. Okay, so today we're gonna be learning how to blend our consonant sounds with our vowel sound, and today we'll be looking at the vowel sound like you're saying umbrella or like you are saying up, right? Good job. Okay, so before we do this, I would need you to identify all the single sounds. I want to be sure that you can identify these sounds in a random order, okay? So, but if you want to know how to say this sound serially, please check the animation video. Look at the screen, you're going to see this thumbnail and look for it in my channel. That's a kids animation video that talks about how to know your sounds, okay? All right, so today let's move on to identify the sounds. All right, children, so look at this sound. What sound is this? Good job. The sound like you are what? Hopping, or like you want to say hen. Wow, amazing. That was fantastic. Okay, children, what about this sound? What sound is this? Good job. The sound b, 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 like you are playing a ball. Ball, b, b. Good job. Or the school bus, right? All right, children, so let's see another one. Okay, so what sound is this? Good job. You know your sounds. That's fantastic. Okay, so this is the kicking, right? So this sound here makes the sound, and we also have another one that makes the sound what? But this one is a kicking. Can you see the leg? Ready to kick. Can we pretend to kick? Wow, good job. Okay, so the kicking stands for the word what? King. Good job. And why the right says the word what? Cat or come, right? So can you see the cat over here? Or like you're drinking water with your cup. So this is the sound that goes for cup, cat, come, right? And this is the sound that goes for key or king. All right, children, we have one more here. What sound is this? The amazing word p, p, p. Good job. Like you want to say pie, or you want to say put, or you want to say pat, or you want to say pets. Good job. Fantastic. Okay, I have another amazing sound here. What sound is this, children? Wow, wow, wow. You know your sounds. I'm super proud of you. So this is the sound what? Like you're saying frog. Like you're saying frog. Good job. And what about this sound? It goes ks. You know the sound that makes when you want to take a picture, it goes ks, right? So the ks sound. So when you say fox, there's the ks sound at the end of what? Fox, right? Okay, so we have an amazing sound here. What sound is this? Good job. The sound what? Again, what? Like you're saying water, or you're saying the wing, or you're saying the wind blows. Wow, good job. All right, children, so one last one. What sound is this? Amazing. The sound what? Zzz. You know the sound that the bumblebee makes? Yeah, the bumblebee makes a sound and it goes zzz. And then we also have a picture here that signifies what? Zip. So when you want to say zip, it goes what? Zip. Like the zip in your what? Backpack, right? The zip in your bag, the zip in mommy's bag, right? All right, children. So that's amazing. I'm super proud of you. Please give yourself a fantastic, super clap. One, go, boom. Good job. And look, can I give you a high five? Yeah, good job. That's amazing. I'm so proud of you. All right, children. So today we're going to be blending our sounds, our consonant and vowel sounds with the sound what? And today we're going to be doing this. But before we do this, before we blend with the sound remember, if you're new to this video, we have treated the consonant vowel blends with the vowel sound which is this one, and then we went on with the vowel sound all consonants blended with the sound what? With the vowel sound right? And then we went on to all consonants with the vowel sound a. Good job. And then we went on to the consonant and the vowel sound o. Good job. But today we're gonna be looking at the vowel sound Good job. But before we do that, please, if you're new here, look at the screen now. You're going to see all the blends we have done. That's the part 2 of what? Learning how to read. It means that you have to learn how to blend before you start reading 3 letters. Okay, children. So look at the thumbnail now, and I'm going to show you. Look for all of these captions in my channel and watch this video before you join us to watch how to blend with the vowel sound All right, children. So before we go into that, I'm here with my board and I'm here with my wiper and my marker. Okay, children. So let's go on to do a reinforcement, okay? So where we have the sound G and the sound R, what sound does this make? G. Amazing. And what about this one? When we have and we have the sound R, it goes what? Ha. Good job. Okay. When we have the sound, the Q and the S sound, it goes what? Beautiful. That shows you've been learning the sound Q. Good job. And what about if we have the sound, the kicking K and the S sound, what does it make? Amazing, the sound K. Good job. And we move on to the A sound here. So we have the sound P and they have the sound A. So when we blend it, what sound does it make? P. Fantastic. And what about this one? The sound D and the sound A. Can we blend it? It makes a sound D. Good job. And we come over here and we have the sound and the sound what? Oh, so when we blend it, what sound does it make? The sound mo. Good job. And what about this one? Like we have rrr and oh, when we blend it together, what sound does it make? Ro, like you want to say rot. All right, children. So today we're going to be learning to blend the R sound. But before we do that, let's look up here. We have the sound what? B. So B. And A gives us what? It goes what? B. Good job. B. A goes what? B. Good job. And what about K? And what is it going to give us? We have the K sound and we have the A sound. So when we blend it, it makes one sound called the K again, K again, K again, K. Beautiful. So that's how we blend. Let's go to another one and let's say if we have here like the sound and the R sound. So when we blend it together, it goes what? Ma, like you want to say mom, right? Ma. Good job. All right, children. So we have established that. So right now, let's move on. I'm going to be showing you the flashcard and I want you to tell me the sounds they make. Okay, so we have the sound here, what? B. Good job. And what sound is this? Amazing. So when we blend them together, what sound are we going to get? The sound B. Say it. B again. B like you want to say butts, right? So let's go. B. Good job. All right. And what about this one? We have the sound K and what? So can we blend it together? It goes K again, K again, K. Good job. And what about this one here? We have the sound what? D, like you're hitting the drum. And it goes what? D. And this one goes So can we join them to blend them together? It goes what? Wow, I heard that. You got it. Da again, da again, da again, da, like you want to say dump, right? Good job. All right, we have the sound f and we have the sound a. Good job. So let's blend it together. It goes fa again, like you want to say I am having fun, right? Okay, we have this one g and this one so let's blend it together. It goes g again, g again, g. Good job. And we have this one and what? It goes ha again, ha again, ha. Good job. And we have j, j, j. The sound goes what? J. And this one goes what? So when you blend them together, it goes what? Ja again, ja again, ja. Like you're saying jug. Amazing. And what about this one? We say what? The kicking k and what? So let's blend it together. It goes ka again, ka. Good job. And what about l and It goes la again, la again, la. Like what? Good luck, right? Luck. Good luck. So we have and goes what? Ma again, ma again, ma. Like some people would say mom. This can go with either the sound or the sound. So it goes ma. Good job. So what about this sound? It goes and goes what? Na again, na again, na again, na. Good job. And what about this one? The word sound p and the sound umbrella. So let's blend it together. It goes pa again, pa again, pa. Amazing. All right, now we already know this, that these two are always together because a Q is a very, very shy sound. In fact, it doesn't have a sound. It's so shy, right, that it cannot produce anything. So it has a best friend that's always working with, and that sound is what? The U letter. So when they come together, they make one sound called what? Qua again, qua again, qua again, qua. Good job. So we have this other word as r and what? So when we blend it together, it goes ra again, like you want to say run. Good job. And what about this one? The s for what? Snake. And the let's blend it together. It goes what? Sa again, sa, like you want to say sun, right? The sun that shines in the sky. All right, what about and it goes what? Ta again, ta again, ta. Good job. And we have v, and the it goes va again, va, like the bird that says what? Voucher, right? So let's go va again, va. Beautiful. And what about this sound? W. And goes what? Wa again, wa again, wa again, wa. Good job. And we have this one as y. And it goes ya again, ya again, ya. Good job. And we have the z and the When you blend it together, it goes z again, z again, z. Wow, did you enjoy the blending? That was super, super fantastic. I'm so, so happy and proud of you. Okay? All right, children. So today, okay, right now, we're going to put up every sound we have learned here, and let's see how we can blend them to make a fantastic sound. Now, can we see? Can you see the board? Okay, so remember, we have this as what? B, and A goes as ba. Good job. We have B, and E goes as what? Be. We have B, and E, we have B, and O, and then now we have learned to blend this one. All right, so can you see this? Now let's blend this together. B, A goes what? Ba. B, and E goes what? Be. B, and E goes what? Be. B, and O goes what? Bo. And B, and A goes what? Ba. So let's say them now. Let's go. Ba, be, be, bo, ba. Again. Ba, be, be, bo, ba. Good job. So did you see that? Amazing. All right, let's try another one. So we have ma. We have me, me, mo, and ma. So here, let's go. Can you see this one? So let's blend together. It goes what? Can you see the screen? All right. It goes ma, and A goes what? Ma, me, me, mo, ma. Again, ma, me, me, mo, ma. Good job. So you can see that now we have learned to blend all 5 word vowels with all the consonant sounds that we know. All right, children. So the next stage is for us to start reading. So you're gonna be reading in the next video. Remember to always check the video, check this channel, because the next stage now is what? Reading. All right, so before we go, I'm gonna be asking these words, this sound randomly. So what sound is this? Can you blend it? And A goes what? Amazing. Good job. Like you want to say nuts, right? And what about this one? K, and A goes what? Ka again. Ka, like you're saying cup. Good job. And what about Z? And A goes what? Z again. Z again. Z, like you're saying Z, like you're saying the sound Z. Good job. And what about this amazing sound? It goes qua. Good job. And what about this sound? It goes po. And A goes what? Pa again. Pa again. Pa. Wow, Mrs. Ezebuchi is super, super proud of you. And what about this one again? It goes f. And A goes what? Fa again. Fa again. Fa. Beautiful. So can we now do this again? 1 to go. Ba, be, be, bo, ba. Again, ma, me, me, mo, ma. Good job. All right, children. So give yourself a fantastic, super, super tush clap. Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Wow. All right, kids. So I'm super excited, okay? So today, this is the end of our video. Now, remember to subscribe to Mrs. Ezebuchi's channel. And I'm going to see you in the next video where we'll start reading 3-letter words. Congratulations! You've learned how to blend all your consonants and vowel blends. Good job. All right, children, give yourself a high five with Mrs. Ezebuchi. Boom! Amazing. Okay, so bye, children. See you in our next video. Bye.